What's your name?
My name is Flora May Villares.
How old are you?
I'm 38 years old.
Are you married yet?
I'm single.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have.
Okay, please tell me your experience in Hong Kong.
I'm here. I've been working here in Hong Kong 10 years in one employer only. I took care 3 kids from newborn, toddler, and then now they are teenagers. And also a one couple and grandparents together in one house.
Okay, so how you take care children?
Sorry?
How you take care children?
Yeah, I take care the children, like, preparing their meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then send them to school, send and pick up to the school activities, like that.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
Yeah, I can cook basic Chinese food, also basic Western food.
So, okay. What dishes you can cook?
Some Asian food, Philippine food, like that.
Can you tell us what the name?
Like adobo, chicken adobo, chicken curry, pancit, lumpia, some Asian food like that.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.